Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be reviewing the No Drama Mini Lip Kit by Pop Exo Makeup Collection. As you can see, the colors and the designs used on the box are very girly and very quirky. The package itself is very lightweight and it is very easy to open. What you have to do is you have to slide it from the sides towards the outside and you will find a set of 3 lipstick shades. I have already taken a swatch of the 3 lipstick shades. This one here, this is called as Hype. The one in the center, this is called as Comfort Zone. And the one on this side is called as Bliss. Can you see how wonderful and beautiful the colors are? They are going to look good on almost every Indian girl. So these are some of the points which I have noted down. I am going to read it out aloud for you people. So here goes. They are affordable, plus you get a set of 3 lipsticks in the given price. They are very lightweight, they are very easy to use, they lock very securely. Thickness of the crayon is neither too thin nor too thick. It is approximately the same size as that of my lips. Therefore, application will be very comfortable and very quick. I just have to swipe it once or twice, not more than that. It feels very comfortable on the lips even after the application is done, even after a few hours of the application. There is no need to use lip balm prior to the use of these lipsticks. The application is so soft. All the 3 shades are very beautiful. They contain minimal to no fragrance. They last about 4 to 5 hours if you don't eat or drink. It has a slight shine to it. As you can see, some of the light which is falling on my lips, so it is not completely matte. It has a slight shine to it. So which people can buy these kind of lipsticks? Those who want to buy lipsticks under a budget, those who want to start using nude lipsticks, those who work from home through video calls, or those who attend functions through video calls, those who love wearing barely their kind of lip shades. The only cons which I found in these lipsticks are they are not transfer proof. Yes, some of the color will transfer on other objects which your lips will touch. The swatches on the hand will not match on the swatches on the boxes. See, they will not match exactly as per the swatches shown in the box, and they contain polymers and dimethyl. So friends, if you are someone who doesn't like a lot of chemicals in the makeup products that they use, these lipsticks are not for you, so don't go for them. So this was my mini review on the lipsticks. Let me know what you think. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you. Good night. Please like, share and comment on my video, and if you have any comments about improving my video, please do leave them in the comment box. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good night.